Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over view-only users. Office Tracker gives you the option of purchasing full user licenses and/or view-only licenses. View-only licenses allow you to set specific users as view-only. View-only users have a limited capability to view, find, and print, but not to edit any schedule or contact information. View-only users are licensed at a different rate than regular users. To turn a user on as a view-only user, you will need to first purchase a view-only user license, then log into your Office Tracker server admin page. Once you have logged into your server admin page, you'll want to click on Names List and Show Names List. You want to locate the name of the person that you want to make a view-only user. Click on their name. From the Edit Name window, you will want to make sure to check the View Only checkbox right next to the type. This will only appear if you have purchased a View Only license. And then click Update Name. You will be able to tell which users have been set up as a View Only user directly from your names list. If you'll notice over here, this says Person, View Only. If they're a full user, it just says Person. Once you have set a user as View Only, the system will automatically use a View Only license when that username logs into Office Tracker. If they click on an event on the schedule, it will bring up the Edit Event window, but they will not be able to make any changes to the event. As you'll notice, everything is grayed out, but I can still view all of the information about the event. You'll notice down here at the bottom it says you may view this event, but you may not make changes. If I click on an open time slot to try to schedule an event as a view-only user, it pops up an error that says you cannot schedule because you do not have permission. Let's look at a few of the benefits of view-only users. They can view schedules from anywhere via a web browser, can be sent email event reminders just like regular users, great for outside service people, perfect when a few people schedule a much larger number of people, and can later be upgraded to full users if needed. Please contact your sales rep if you would like a quote to add view-only user licenses to your current account. That about covers it for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload a new video tutorial. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your Office Tracker software. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!